Welcome to a video on polynomial functions. For this exercise, match each function with its given graph. We're given 4 functions and 4 graphs. For letter A, the function f of x is defined as negative 3x cubed minus x plus 4. Notice that to determine the graph of a function, we use the leading term test. The leading term for this function is negative 3x to the third, and its leading coefficient is negative, and therefore the left end of the graph is pointing upward and the right end is pointing downward. In other words, the left rises and the right falls. So we're looking for a graph that behaves like that. The left rises and the right falls. So graph 4 is the best match for this function. For letter B, our function is defined as 1/4 x to the fourth as its leading term. And again, using the leading term test, this function has an even degree, which means that the ends point in the same direction. And the leading coefficient is a positive number, and hence both ends point upward. And so looking at these 4 graphs, graph number 1 best matches letter B. For letter C, our function has a leading term of negative x to the 6th. So once again, even degree, which means the ends point in the same direction. But since the leading coefficient is negative, both ends point down. And so graph 3 is the best match for letter C. And finally, for letter D, our leading term here is 2/5 x to the 5th power. This has an odd degree. That means the ends point in opposite direction. But since the leading coefficient is positive, the left falls and the right rises. So the left end points down, the right end points up. Hence, graph number 2 is the best match for letter D. So to recap the leading term test, here's a summary of the behavior of these 4 cases. This is also embedded in our guided notes of section 3.3.